This is the on off button. So from here you want to switch it on the machine. So it will be booting up. And after that, first it will be in AED mode.
Emergency services.
So if you want to put in manual mode, like other biphasic defib
one
you are
after
doing
the
that.
other to patient's
So
bare chest.
you want to change the auto
Plug in
VF to
electrode
manual.
cable.
You want to click the manual button. So now
Check
it is in manual.
electrodes.
And you can see one indication also there.
Apply electrodes one after the other
So
to patient's
after
bare
that,
chest.
here you can see
Plug in electrode
it is in
cable.
ECG mode. So you want to put it in paddles. So you want to press this button and make it is a paddles. So in this mode, this is actually manual mode. You can use the defib like the other defib that you are using in other ambulance, not AED, the biphasic mode. So from here you can select the joules. So here I am 100 joule I select, means it will come here the 100 joule. The selected joule is showing here, and this is the mode we can see in here. This is the cartridge in here you can see with ECG leads. SpO2 you can measure here. So here we set 100 joule. So to activate or to charge this 100 joule, you can press here any button, either this button or either this button. So
one button only.
any button you can press.